Welcome back to digital class, and now we're looking at this repeated identity concept, but this is slightly more tricky because it's in a diagram. Okay, let's look at question number 3. So here says that the figure is made up of a square and an oval. So this is a square, this is an oval. Now, the ratio of the square to oval is 2 to 3. So square to oval is 2 to 3. Now, the shaded area, so this is the shaded part, is 1/6 of the oval. Now, let me just add on another one. This is shaded and is 1/6 of the area of oval. Now, remember, in this case, I know that I'm referring to shaded area and the area of oval. And this one supposed to belongs to this shaded area, and this 6 supposed to belongs to area of oval. Now, remember again, 1 is shaded area. So here supposed to be 1. And oval supposed to be what? 6. So here supposed to be 6. Now, be a bit careful. Yeah, it's supposed to be shaded area 1/6. But in this part, the sequence is being swapped. So in this case, you need to be very, very careful. Now, oval, I know it's the same oval that we are referring to. So it's supposed to be the same. But they are not the same. So we are supposed to make it the same by looking for LCM. And what is LCM of 3 and 6? Again, you should know immediately is 6. Teacher, if it's 6, then what should I do? 3 I times 2? Yes, you times 2 become 6. Here you times 2? Yes, because they are comparing together, right? So you times 2 here. But do I need to do anything here? Don't need, because it's already 6. And with that, my new ratio is 4. Again, here is still 6 because the whole thing here now oval is 6. And the shaded part is 1. Now, when I have this ratio, then things will become clearer. Now, let's look at the question here. The shaded area is 36 cm square. Good. Now, what they are referring to is that this 1 is actually 36. Now, that basically tells you that 1 unit is 36. But the problem now is I need to find the area of the figure. Can I just 4 plus 6 plus 1? That is the total? No. Now, remember, this square is actually what? Is 4. Means that this whole thing here I have is 4. And this over here is 6. But I cannot just 4 plus 6 as also, because this shaded part is actually what? Is actually overlapping. Means that this part is being calculated twice. You get it? Because if I have this square, this is the part, right? If I add this is the part, right? So if I just say square plus over, this shaded part is being added twice. It's being added twice. That's why what you are supposed to do is to use 4 unit plus 6 unit minus 1 unit. Again, why? Because 4 unit plus 6 unit, but I need to minus away this red color because I only have the shaded part for only once. Okay, this is important. This is important. So it's actually 9 unit. That's why if 1 unit is 36, then 9 unit is 36 times 9, which is equal to 324. 324 cm square. So I hope this actually helps you to understand this question a bit better. This is actually a slightly tricky question because it involves like diagram, pictures, square, oval. That's why it makes it a bit confusing. But the idea here is still the same. Whatever that you've learned is the same, just that it's being tricked a bit. Okay, so I hope you learned something and thank you. See you. Bye bye.